This is Edgar. He's decided to help me take a bath. Hi, Eddie. What you doing, bud? Oh, nobody would ever believe you were feral before, would they? Huh? Oh, yes. Thank you. I need all the help I can get. Uh-huh. What you doing? You helping the mama? Are you helping the mama? This is an awkward angle. Now where are you going? Are we gonna play? See you. This used to be a slightly feral boy. You can see that is no longer the case. Okay, love you, Eddie.